Welcome to Silage Academy. In this video, we'll be learning about BODMAS. And what you have to know about BODMAS is that BODMAS is gotten from the first letters of some arithmetic symbols. Like the B stands for bracket, the O stands for others, which includes roots, exponents, or square roots, powers, and all that. Then the D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So it is a guide that helps us solve mathematical problems when different signs are involved. All right, now let's go. We'll be solving some of these questions here. I think we have 4 of them. Also, if time permits, we'll solve more. Okay, now the first question here, we have 24 divided by 6 minus 2 plus 5 times 4. Now what are we going to do? According to BODMAS, we'll solve the bracket first because bracket is the first thing here. So we'll solve the question in the bracket first. That means we have this is equal to 24 divided by 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 4. So write that 4 here, then plus 5 times 4. After bracket, what's the next thing? We have others. There are no other signs here or any other forms of questions here. Then the D stands for division. So let's solve the division sign. 24 divided by 4, that will give us 6. Then plus 5 times 4. After division, what do we have? Multiplication. So we'll solve the multiplication sign. 5 times 4 will give us 20. So we have 6 plus 20. Then addition, 6 plus 20 will give us 26. So this is our final answer. Very simple. Now, the next question we have here is the number 2. It says bracket open 18 plus 12 brackets close divided by 5 plus 1 times 3. So here's what we'll do. We'll solve the bracket first as usual. Now we have 2 brackets here, so we'll solve them simultaneously. We have 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 will give us 30. So we have 30 divided by 5 plus 1 will give us 6. Are you seeing it now? Then 6 times 3. After bracket, the next thing is division because there are no others here. So 30 divided by 6, that will give us 5. We have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 will give us 15. So our final answer here is 15. The next question, number 3, is a fractional one. Number 3 says 5 over 6 plus 3 over 4. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 4. So, according to BODMAS, we'll solve the question in the bracket first. Okay, we'll solve the question in the bracket first. Now, you need to master addition and subtraction of fraction for you to be able to understand this better. If you have not done that, I have my video on addition and subtraction of fractions tagged up here at the top right corner of your screen. So just tap that card there and go and master addition and subtraction. In that video, I tried my best to break it down, everything you need to understand about addition and subtraction of fraction. Then after that, you can come back and continue this video. But if you have the knowledge, that's a good one. You just continue. You can even try this on your own. So let's solve the fraction first. We have 5 over 6 plus, solving this, you find the LCM of 4 and 2. That's 4. So you have 4 here. 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. 1 times 3 is 3. You have 3. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Brackets close times 4. Now this is equal to 5 over 6 plus, we are still solving the questions in the bracket. Okay, we will solve it till we are sure that we are done with everything in the bracket before we now proceed to solve other signs. Now 3 minus 2 will give us 1 over 4, so we have 1 over 4. So we have succeeded in simplifying the question in the bracket. So times 4. Now the next thing we have here is equal to, after the subtraction, after the bracket, we have division, but there's no division sign here. There's no division sign here, so we are solving the multiplication sign. So you have 5 over 6 plus 1 over 4 times 4. 1 over 4 times 4, the 4 we cancel out. Go and watch my video on multiplication and division of fraction to help you understand this better. So the 4 we cancel out, you are left with just 1. So 5 over 6 plus 1. Now this is equal to 5 over 6 plus 1 will give us equal to 1 whole number 5 over 6. So this is your final answer. So I just have to break it down here for you to understand it better. Question number 4, we have 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4 brackets close divided by 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. If you have something like this, remember the first thing you have to do is to solve the question in the bracket first. No matter the sign there, just solve the question in the bracket. So let's solve the question in the bracket. Now this will be equal to, you find the LCM of, so let's solve the question in the bracket. The LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. 8 in 8 will give us 1. 1 times 7 will give us 7. Minus 8 in 4 will give us 2. 2 times 1, 2. So you have 2 here. Divided by 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. Now this is equal to 7 minus 2 here will give us 5. So you have 5 over 8 divided by 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. So after the bracket, what's the next sign we have here? We have division sign. Okay, so you saw the division sign first. In solving the division sign, remember, if you have to solve division sign, the denominator, the division sign will change to multiplication, and in changing that, the denominator of the number on the right hand side will become the numerator, while the numerator becomes the denominator. So you have 5 over 8 times 2 over 1 plus 2 over 3. So the 8 and 2 will do their thing. So 2 in 8 will give you 4, while 2 cancel 2. So you have 5 over 4. So we are done with the multiplication sign. So 5 over 4 plus 2 over 3. 5 over 4 plus 2 over 3 here, you find the LCM of 4 and 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 4 in 12, that's 12 divided by 4, give you 3. 3 times 5 will give you 15. You have 15 plus 3 in 12 will give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. So you have 15 plus 8, that will give you 23. So you have 23 over 12. Then 23 over 12, remember you cannot leave your answer in improper fraction, so you have to convert it to a proper fraction. Now you have 23 over 12 will give you one whole number, 11 over 12, and this is your final answer. You can try this on your own. The assignments, just try it and write your answer in the comment section. Please let us know which topic you are finding very difficult, so we can help you break it down, help you demystify it to the basic, to the barest minimum where you can understand it better. Please remember to like this video, okay, and subscribe. When you subscribe, you on the notification button so that whenever we drop a helpful video like this, you will get notified. And also, one thing you have to help us do is to share this video to your friends. Make sure this video reaches out to whoever you think might find this video very, very helpful. Thank you. See you in the next video.